Stuck on the Dutch flag problem on LeetCode. In the next couple of minutes, you will understand the clean three-pointer trick, and I will code the full solution in Python. When I'm given an array 2, 0, 2, 1, 1, and 0, a Dutch problem says I want at the beginning to only have zeros, so I'll have here 0 and 0, at the middle only ones, and at the end only twos. So basically, I want to sort an array that only has elements 0, 1, and 2. And that is the first solution to sort your array. But the time complexity of this solution is n log n, and we can actually do this faster. And for that, we will use a second solution called three-pointer algorithm. And this solution actually allows us to solve the problem in linear time complexity, which is much faster than n log n. So if I copy the whole array from before, 2, 0, 2, 1, 1, and 0, idea is to have left pointer, right pointer, and a middle pointer. And I will move them accordingly and based on their number. For example, if m is 2, I want to swap m value and r value. So I want here to put 0, here 2, and I want to move r1 left. Then again, I check. M is now not 2, M is now 0. So I want to swap L and M, but move both of them right. So in this case, because they are at the same position, I will move them both here. Again, M is 0, so I want to swap them and move them one right. Now M is 2, so again I want to swap M and R, and here I will have 2, here 1, and move R1 left. But now M is 1, so when M is 1, I will simply increase M by 1 and move it right. Again, I will increase M by 1 and move it right, and M will be here. And now M is at the greater position than R, and once that happens, I want to break from the loop because I've sorted my array. And as you can see, I sorted my array in only one pass, and that is why the time complexity is big O of n. Let's quickly code the solution. First, we will put L, M, and R at their right positions. L should be at 0, M should be at 0, and R should be at len of our list numbers and -1. That is the last position. While M is smaller to or equal to right position, I want to iterate through my algorithm. And if numbers of M is 0, then I want to swap numbers of left with numbers of M, and I do that by writing these numbers here M and here numbers L. Then I want to move both of them to the right, so I'll have left plus equal 1, M plus equal 1. Else if numbers of M is equal to 1, then I simply want to increase M by 1. And if none of that happens, that means my M is 2, and I want to swap now R and my M. So I will write the same code like before. Numbers of M, numbers of right. And here decrease right by 1. But I want my M to remain at the same position. Let's submit the answer. Else if is in C++, we have to write elif here. And as you can see, we solved our problem, and even in 0 milliseconds, which beats 100% of people. If you want to learn how to solve more coding interview questions, I've got a full playlist you can check out. And if this helped, hit subscribe so you don't miss the next interview question solution.